Hi everyone, this is Imam Abdullah Khan. I have completed my task 1 given by the Sparks Foundation as a data science and business analytics intern. In this task, we have to do prediction using supervised machine learning algorithm. It has a problem statement which states that what will be the predicted score if a student studies for 9.25 hours per day. Now first of all, we must import the important libraries such as pandas for data frame creation and matplotlib library for data visualization, and then we will load the dataset using this URL mentioned here. Now let's have a quick glance of our dataset using the head function. It shows first 5 rows of our dataset, and here we can see that our dataset has two columns, hours and scores. For more info, we will be using .info function, which shows that our dataset has total 25 entries indexed from 0 to 24, and two columns hours and scores each having 25 entries and having non-null values, which means that our dataset does not has any missing values in it. Now we will visualize our dataset using the matplotlib functions as mentioned here, and from this graph we can see that there is a strong positive linear relationship between hours studied and percentage score, which means that if number of hours studied increases, then the percentage score will also increase. Now it's time for the preparation of our data. For training, here we will divide our data into feature data X and target data Y. Okay, now after data preparation, we will split our data set by using scikit-learn model selection, and from that model selection we will import test train split library, and we will split our data set into the ratio of 80:20 by using this function test size equal to 0.2, and we will set the random state equal to 42 so that our model will not overfit our data set. Now after splitting data, we will build our model. For that we will be using linear regression algorithm as our model has numeric values only. So we will from scikit-learn.models linear model we will import linear regression library, and this function reg.fit will fit our data into the model, and it will train our data based on the linear regression algorithm. Now our model is trained. Let's see the regression line which our model has generated by using these functions. And here from this above graph we can see that our model has quite well fitted our dataset very well. Now let's make some predictions and test our model. For that we will use the remaining test data, and we will be making that yPredict variable such that it will predict from the testing values which are remaining in our test dataset. And here we can see that 8.3, 2.5, 6.9, these are the number of hours studied, and based on that our model will predict how much percentage that student will score. For that we will be also comparing that thing with our original data set. For that we will create a new data frame which having the actual values from the y test data frame and the predicted values which that we just created above. And we can see that here 81 is the actual value of percentage and predicted value is 83.18, which is quite good. The error is around I think 2 or 3, not more than that. Now for more perfect evaluation, we will be evaluating a model using the red score method. In this method, it will return us the percentage score of what our model predicts. And here we can see that it gives 0.96, which means that our model predicts 96% accurately. We can also check the mean absolute error by importing it matrix library from the scikit-learn library, and we can see that our model has a 3.92 mean absolute error, which is also quite good. Now let's get back to our problem statement. We will predict if a student studies for 9.25 hours, what will be the percentage scored. And our model says that the percentage if a student studies for 9.25 hours is 92.38. And similarly, we can also put any other data for guessing the percentage. Okay, thank you for everyone for watching my video, and feel free to evaluate my work. Thank you very much.